Hello, I am here with Victor this morning. And Victor, thank you for joining us. Victor is in Mexico City, Mexico. And Victor, can you tell us a little bit about your educational background?
Yeah, I have a law degree from the National Autonomous University of Mexico, the UNAM. So where I graduated in 2019.
Okay. All right. And that's that's an undergraduate degree. Is that correct?
Yeah,
Okay. Excellent. Awesome. Now you, from our previous conversations, you have worked for three U.S. law firms, one in Orlando, one in San Diego, and one in San Antonio, all doing remote uh, legal assistance as a legal assistant, both in English and in Spanish. Is that correct?
yeah. Those firms work in immigration area, so they mainly work with Latin American people. So that's why I start to work in English because all the communication with the immigration USCIS and all the DHS has to be in English, but the communication with the client has to be in Spanish.
Spanish. Okay. So you've got to get all the documentation and the agencies and the firm communication in English, and then convert the Spanish, get out of that information in Spanish, and then bring it back in and convert it to English, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. All right. I see the process. Can you give us an idea of some of the things that you did at these firms?
Yeah. I do. I used to did a lot because I start, conducting the client interviews, the screening, to have all the information in Spanish because it's the background of some clients, and then move it into English to pass it to the attorney, and he has to check if they apply for something. So then I start to drafting the declaration, the affidavits, the legal forms and some motions for those clients. I have to prepare the immigration forms like I-360, I-940, I-7665, yeah, all the forms by USCIS to apply for some applications for the clients. I used to assisting with the strategy and discuss some background of the client to see if they apply for something in specific, if there were better options for them, and maintaining the communication with the clients through phone, email, text messages, and
Okay.
use the case management platforms like MyCase, DocuWise, Serenade, Camp Legal.
Okay. All righty. I see here from our previous conversations, you, as you said, MyCase, DocuWise, Clio.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I see here. Now, and you also, some of the case types, I also, as I recall, you did some asylum work, visas, citizenship, a lot of different types of procedures, correct?
Yeah, that's correct. I've been focused in humanitarian visas such as the visa, U visa, and BAWA,
Mhm.
and I have also worked with asylums, family-based petitions, waivers, and I have a special focus on removal defense before EOIR. So I like to work with the court. I feel so good working with motions and with legal strategies,
Mhm.
that whole world of removal defense.
Got it. All right, very good. And in total, you have a little over 6 years of experience with U.S. law firms, as I calculated. Is that accurate?
Yeah, I started to work in September 2019, and I've been only working in immigration area.
Okay. Yeah, so just shy of 6 years. Yeah, exactly 6 years.
Yeah.
This month. Okay, outstanding. Anything that would be important you'd like to share with us that we should, you think someone would like to know about you?
Yeah, I like to be in contact with the clients. I heard a lot of their stories, so I start to feel those processings, the real importance of this process. I heard their backgrounds. I know they're running out from so difficult situations. So that's why I've been improving the way I communicate, the way I share the information, because sometimes this legal world has so hard mm, words and are not easy to understand. So I've been
Mhm.
working with this part of understand the process and share them with the clients to make them easier to understand. So
Right.
I really like this part, and I
Okay.
think that make me, like the clients has this form to communicate with me. Maybe not as a friend, but so easy for them. So
Right.
I enjoy a lot that part.
Oh, good. Good. Very good. And I was just thinking about this. You worked with an Orlando firm, a California firm, and a Texas firm. So I'd imagine you dealt with Spanish speakers from both Central America, South America, and Caribbean area that speak Spanish. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. That's the way we used to communicate and always try to understand. Sometimes they express themselves so different, but
Hmm.
it's in Spanish, so I can understand them.
Right. Very good. All right. Excellent. Well, Victor, very good. Thank you for your time this morning, and we'll look forward to talking to you again very soon. Hope you have a great day.
Okay, thank you.